Hello to everyone. Today we will tell you 7 scientifically proven benefits of oats. Have a good time. Top 7 scientifically proven benefits of oats. Oats are among the healthiest grains on earth. Not only they are nutritious but they're convenient and delicious also. They're also naturally gluten-free, which is useful for a lot of people. In this article, we are looking at their top 7 health benefits of oats. So without any further delay, let's move to the top 7 scientifically proven benefits of oats. Top benefits of oats. Your muscles will get much needed protein from oats. The first benefit of oats is it provides you the daily protein intake. If you ask around about what your body needs to build muscles, most people will probably tell you the answer is protein, but not everybody knows that while protein is extremely important, but your body also demands carbohydrates and fats. Both of these carbohydrates and fats are present in oatmeal. Oats provide you with energy, and that's exactly what you need for an effective workout. Serving of 1/2 a cup of oatmeal gives your body 15% of the recommended daily amount of protein. Also, don't forget about vitamin E, antioxidants and glutamate, which are present in oats. Because oats have rich amount of antioxidants, they help to reduce itching, inflammation and blood pressure. Oats are incredibly nutritious. The next benefit of oats is oats have high amount of important vitamins, minerals and antioxidant. Around 1/2 a cup or 78 grams of dry oats contains 91% of daily requirement of the manganese, over 30% daily requirement of the phosphorus and magnesium. It has around 20% daily requirement of the copper, iron and zinc. 11% for folate, 39% of vitamin B1 also. 10% of daily intake requirement of vitamin B5. This 1/2 cup of dry oats contains 51 grams of carbohydrate, 13 grams of protein, 8 grams of fiber and only 300 calories. This simply means oats are one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. Oats can lower your cholesterol levels. Most of the health benefits of oats comes from its high soluble fiber content, specifically a fiber called beta-glucan. This fiber partially dissolves in water and helps to form a thick gel-like solution in the gut. Many studies have shown that the beta-glucan in oats is effective at reducing both total and LDL cholesterol levels that are a major risk factor for heart diseases. It increases the excretion of cholesterol-rich bile, thereby reducing circulating levels of cholesterol in the blood. It is scientifically proven that antioxidants and vitamin C present in oats prevent LDL oxidation. Oats can improve blood sugar levels. Type 2 diabetes is usually caused by a decreased sensitivity to the hormone insulin. Oats are best for the people with some extra weight and high sugar levels. Many studies also indicate that they may also improve insulin sensitivity. Oats contain a lot of antioxidants that contain beta-glucan, which lowers blood sugar and increases the production of nitric oxide. This gas improves circulation by expanding blood vessels. Not only that, beta-glucan contained in oats also reduces cholesterol levels. Oatmeal may help you lose weight and reduces your will to eat more. Boiling oats in water or milk creates oatmeal. Eating filling foods like oatmeal may help you eat fewer calories and lose weight. The beta-glucan contained in oatmeal may directly increase your feeling of fullness by releasing a certain hormone produced in the gut. This satiety hormone has been shown to lead to reduced calorie intake and may decrease your risk of obesity. Oats also promotes the growth of good bacteria in your digestive tract. Oats may help with skin care. It's no coincidence that oats can be found in numerous skincare products. Colloidal oatmeal is also known as skin protective substance. Oats have a long history of use in treatment of itch and irritation in various skin conditions like eczema. Note that skincare benefits are only obtained when you apply oats to the skin and through what you eat. Zinc present in oats detoxifies the skin and also minimizes the large skin pores. Oats may help relieve constipation. Oat bran, that is the fiber-rich outer layer of the grain, may help relieve constipation. In older people, at least when taken as an oat bran supplement. One trial found that well-being improved for 30 elderly patients who consumed a soup or dessert containing oat bran daily for 12 weeks. What's more, 59% of those patients were able to stop using laxatives after the 3-month study, while overall laxative use increased by 8% in the control group. No doubt oats consumption is very beneficial for us, and it has most of the minerals. It has each and every nutrient which is very beneficial for our health. But friends, I want to tell you that oats also have some side effects. So before eating oats you should also know its side effects, so you should get aware whether these oats are beneficial for you or not. In some cases it can cause gas. It can cause flatulence in some people. So the people who are having these problems should not consume oats, especially those who do not chew or those who have difficulty in chewing food. Lastly, I want to point out that although oats are naturally gluten-free, they're often contaminated with gluten. So if you have celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, choose oat products that are certified gluten-free. Some good oats recipes to help you make your oats consumption tastier. Now we'll share with you several recipes that will help you turn a boring oatmeal breakfast into something way more. Ingredients: you'll need 1 cup of steel-cut oatmeal, 2 cups of almond milk, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of maple syrup, optional, 1 large apple peeled and cut into bite-sized pieces, and 1 cup of applesauce. Procedure: combine the milk, oatmeal, maple syrup and cinnamon into a saucepan. Get it on low, stirring occasionally until the milk is absorbed. Then mix in the applesauce as soon as all the liquid is absorbed in about 15 minutes. Throw it in a bowl and enjoy this creamy, sweet, tummy-warming breakfast. Ingredients: you will need 3/4 cup of flour, 1/2 a teaspoon of sea salt, 1/2 a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 egg, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/2 cup of applesauce, 1 cup of raisins and 2 cups of fast-cooking oats. Procedure: mix the flour, baking soda, salt and cinnamon in a bowl. Mix the sugar and butter in a separate bowl. Then add the egg and pour in the applesauce and 1/3 of a cup of water. Now you can add the flour mixture. Throw in the raisins and oats. Mix it all together and place it in the fridge for at least 20 minutes. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and while it's heating up, use an ice cream scoop to put cookie dough balls on the baking tray. Throw them in the oven. Bake the cookies for about 15 minutes until they turn golden brown. So that was our article related to the top 7 scientifically proven benefits of oats. So please let us know if you guys it in the comment section below. Share it with your friends so that they also know these 7 scientifically proven benefits of oats. Thanks for watching. You can comment and like, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.